Welcome to the channel. I hope you are great. Humans have been living a golden time of development in science and technology. Human life started a struggling time of sporting himself with some unfamiliar environment is quite interesting. Thousands of years of this development has achieved some wisdom and fighting through to attend some mysterious questions to books is surprising. The existence of so much researches to improve the lifestyles is one of the countless engraved qualities of a human being. The development of human societies are seen only through science, and apparently it looks true. But human rightly believes what he sees and feels quite cautious to trust with all arguments about unseen. But this unique feature of this person to continue exploring the universe is in its DNA. Science and technology has made wonders to human lives, but at the same time, this knowledge has been sadly damaging the natural environment for a long time. With all remarkable achievements, science does not speak about the happening before creating this universe. Why this universe is created is an interesting topic because what science has achieved so far is already written somewhere, and human mind is still in the search of many questions. When a human opens up his eyes, he sees around, copies things and pays to his mind for future commitments, follows the instructions and believes what is around and is misled to believe that science has the authority over complete knowledge. But surprisingly, science is just proving some already given knowledge and information to mankind through the messenger of Allah and the books he gave to his messenger for guidelines, so human can take help in reaching his life design and come to know the real purpose of creating him, and informed mankind that what was there before the creation of this universe and what is going to happen later. Science is only one of the tools to explore what is hidden and finds a need to expose it to humanity. But there is some other knowledge which stimulates science to investigate into and find the actual truth, and that is still beyond science. Design of the human body is specially made for this universe, and apparently by design and conscious it does not know what had happened to it when human was under development to present to this universe with number of creatures around. Human mind cannot memorize what had happened to him together, as human is made mainly of two major parts: a body that is a combination of the particles of this universe to survive relatively familiar environment, and a commanding soul in it to reside in that body. Religious teachings share very interesting knowledge and information that in some other world that is unknown to human practices called the universe of souls. Human souls were created and gathered in the shape of some small species, and their creator Allah asked, "Who will you obey after sending you to the other universe?" All souls who were going to take birth in this universe took oath that they will only obey you in spite of their religion, race, color, and origin. Human consciousness and experiments are consequent of human soul. From to build an unseen world to send this soul to, and the time, place, and the specific body where it will reside with all its capabilities and strengths, it was given some purpose. The idea of creating this wonderful creature had raised some questions when the creator introduced human to angels and the jinn, and what he is going to assign him. Angels who are made to follow every instructions and do not have free will were asked to bow and acknowledge the supremacy of the human. Jinn commonly identified as some supernatural creature. Their leading role, named Azazel, Satan, and Iblis in some religious teachings, had a free will like humans, made out of fire, and had the duty to obey and worship Allah, was also asked to acknowledge human as a superior creation among jinn, angels, and all other creation Allah has made. Satan, who just visited the human body, laying down without life in it, he just knocked it. That produced some echo. He had the power to go inside it and came out saying that I can control this body to my will. With this experience, he couldn't realize how this human is superior to him. Religious education explains that he was given some knowledge by the Almighty, and making him with fire made up his feeling that I am more unique and can control the human even. But the Creator always has a better knowledge of his product. Only he had the knowledge of this creation, that what miracles are going to happen and what participation a human is going to do. This jealousy of giving human the highest rank made the Satan enemy of human. For not obeying the orders of the Almighty, he was discharged from the honored position of the past, where he was treated above the angels. He also takes oath that till the last day of this universe and a single human alive, I will deviate every single human with different and countless means to forget the commitment human soul had made to his Creator. Humans who were made to judge during a given time here on earth come and start living their lives, make plans and try to achieve them. Go through different situations and circumstances, spend some family time, grow old and leave. Due to some inefficiencies, this human cannot recall what had happened to his soul and what oath did he took. To remember that commitment, Allah had sent number of messengers to every region and nation to let them remember what their souls had took oath of, obeying Allah, and that we will do good deeds to other creatures on this earth. On the other side, Satan had some opposite obligations by deviating the human with deception to stay on the right path. He was given the powers to try his level best. By analyzing human past of this universe, he is undoubtedly proved himself a best creation who has discovered so much. But at the same time, some of the humans were deceived and are helping to destroy the beautiful nature and humanity. They are obeying the evil forces who promised their God to divert the mankind. In our next video, we will try to discuss how this universe was designed in light of religion and science. Please like and subscribe the channel so we can enjoy the journey to explore mankind and its purpose of creation and historical achievements. Thank you for watching.